seen from the G20, they established a historic tax framework that, in their minds, levels the playing field across all major jurisdictions. But I'm wondering, from your perspective, how Bermuda insurers and reinsurers feel about this framework. Does it fit well, or is it going to have an impact on the role that Bermuda plays in terms of distribution of risk globally?
Well, certainly it's early days, and talking about any international tax changes, whether you're talking about it taking place in the US or with the G20 or through the OECD. And ultimately, any changes will have to be considered not only by the international standard setters, but ultimately by the legal authorities, if you will, whether that be Congress or Parliament, or in whatever country you're talking about. So certainly it's early days, and we're of course monitoring the situation. But if you think about raising taxes generally, there's a domino effect on raising taxes, and where does that additional cost element come for insurance and reinsurance products? So would it be consumers in Florida or Texas or Georgia that may having to pay more for the products they receive today? So we're certainly keep an eye on it. There's a great deal of social cost that's also involved in any tax changes. Today, we see very strong involvement of the Bermuda market on the reinsurance for mortgage insurance, for instance. And so now Bermuda has just topped over 50% of all the US mortgage reinsurance comes to the Bermuda reinsurance market for protection. And mortgage insurance is such a unique product in the sense that it allows families and in particular minority communities to build wealth with their number one asset, which is a home purchase. And putting down a down payment is sometimes the obstacle that keeps a family from buying a home, and mortgage insurance allows a smaller down payment to then start accumulating wealth. So the impact for mortgage insurance, or raising the cost of mortgage insurance, could mean less affordable housing for Americans. So there's a societal cost when there's a discussion on taxes.